Hello and welcome to Truth and Life TV. I hope you're all doing well. Good to have you on this channel. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave comments below. And if you're a returning subscriber, may God bless you. Today, we'll be talking on a special topic. I've made a video about it before. I'll put a link up here for you to be able to see. What are we talking about today? We're talking about the power of the middle finger. We all have 5 fingers, and maybe some of us don't have the full finger. God bless you. But if you still have your 5 fingers, every one of the fingers has great benefit. But there's a main purpose why this one is longer. So the long middle finger, when you point like this to someone in the normal world, they think you are abusing them, you're cursing them with that finger. But I want to tell us the benefit of this finger, especially your right middle finger. Your right middle finger has great benefits, powerful spiritual benefits. So, how do you use your right middle finger? If you're a pregnant woman, you're having miscarriages, you're having problems, you are having a child, you can point to your stomach. Even if you want to have children and you see that you're not getting pregnant, you can point to your belly and begin to decree what you want. Begin to tell yourself, I will carry my own child. I will bear my own child. I will carry my child to term. Begin to pray on your stomach and pray. Pray on that child in your stomach also. If you're already pregnant, begin to pray. First thing in the morning, decree that you child in my stomach, you will come to term. You will live. You will not be miscarried. Last thing also, before you sleep, the same thing. You pray like that also. If you want to conceive, first thing in the morning, before you speak to anyone, place your middle finger on your stomach and pray and decree what you want. A child, a boy, a girl, decree what you want. Last thing at night, do the same thing. Then if you want to fast track things in your business and your work, point it on your head and pray and decree what you want. Begin to pray for that promotion, pray for whatever you want to happen in your place of business. You want to attract more people, you want to attract more customers, lay your hand like this on your head and begin to pray. And for that court case, point your middle finger on your head and decree how you want the court case to go. Pray with faith that God is going to answer you. If your husband or spouse is promiscuous, point the middle finger on their picture or their name and pray that they change their ways and begin to love you more than any other person. Use your middle finger to pray for that wayward child, that child that is wayward. Lay your middle finger upon that child and begin to pray what you want. Pray that the child begin to change their ways. Pray what you want. The middle finger is very, very powerful. On your car, when you're about to travel, lay your middle finger on the car and you begin to decree and pray that this car will not have any accident, will not be destroyed, will not encounter accident on the way. Just pray. The middle finger is very powerful. Bless yourself by placing the middle finger on your head and pray what you want. When you're about to leave the house, you can pray pointing on your head and decreeing that as you go out, you will return better than you left. This is the power of the middle finger. This is the power of the middle finger. You cannot go wrong with praying with the middle finger. Lay it upon your head and pray what you want. You are the prophet of your life. You are the one who who, who can pilot your life the way you want it to go. The middle finger is there for you. You have it, you carry it all around wherever you are. You pray with it, and I tell you that things will begin to turn around for good in your life. Pray, pray. Prayer is the key. Prayer is the master key. Prayer is the key that opens all doors. Prayer is the keys that shuts the doors that you want to shut. It is time that you wake up and you begin to declare and decree what you want over your life, over your children, over your family, over your destiny. Do not put your destiny in the hands of another man to control it. You need to control your destiny yourself. I hope this video has been helpful enough. Please don't forget to share, like, subscribe. Until I come your way again, stay blessed. Bye for now.